Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 26th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. I've already done one puzzle, the binary puzzle. Two puzzles are left: the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, and the medium Sudoku, regular puzzle. Yes, we have no not so good news. We have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. So what I will do later on in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. But first, these two regular puzzles. I will continue with the medium Sudoku, but the news of today, told you earlier, it's war day number 245. 245 days ago in Ukraine, the war started. Russia invaded Ukraine, and the war still going, and everything is changing in the world. So we are not pleased. Life is getting expensive. Anyway, let's continue with the puzzle. A number. This will be number 5385. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. So let's get started. 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But sometimes you cannot tell. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time. But for 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. All right, let me scan the puzzle. We have two ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 1, 2 threes, 3 fours, 4 fives. All right. 1, 2 sixes, 4 sevens. All right. 1 8, 1 8, and 4 9. So the 5, the 7s, and the 9s are in majority. So let's get starting with the 9 then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see here 9 in the first column. No 9 there. Here 9 in the second column. No 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 999. 999. 9. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. How about the 7 then? Yeah, 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Can I go back with the 9? No, still cannot continue with the 9. How about the 5 then? 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the middle row is the number 5. Well, we have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. Here, 5 in that column. So no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 in the middle row should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Still, I cannot continue with the 9. Okay. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left and 1 in this big square should be there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Okay. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there in this row. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see how about... still cannot continue with the 9. Okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. Let me mark those. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. Okay. 3, 6, 8. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. Okay. Then. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. I believe the 3 is, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. So the 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers are left now, the 3 and the 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Three missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 169, 169, 169, 169. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in the third row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. So one digit left in this big square for number 1. Okay. Then. We have 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So one digit left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright, 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. That means we have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in this row, the 1 and the 6 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 4. 4. Yeah. Let me think. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 3, and 8. Yeah. Okay. And now. Let me think. We have a 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes here. I have 2 boxes marked with a 9 and a 6. Now we have a 9 here in the second row. So no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now I can count, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Right. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 8 goes there. 2 and 8 I've marked earlier in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 now in the third row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. I can count again, and all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. I believe those two missing numbers are also the same digits. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Here also 3 and the 8 are missing in the middle row. Well, we have an 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah. One box left in this big square for number 3. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in this second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, and the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here in this column. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8. It goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. 16 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.